We also saw significant increase in high-quality jobs. Underemployment too has decreased from 11.7% in May of 2023 to 9.9% today. We also saw an increase in middle-skilled employment, wage and salaried employment, and full-time jobs. Magagandang balita pa rin ang
Sabi mo, pilayan ha?
kabila ng nararanasan mataas na presyo ng
Baka mapilayan.
bukod sa paglikha ng trabaho,
Harot lang yung kiliti-kiliti lang. Dali na.
ng ating mga mamamayan, lalo na sa panahon ng kanilang pagtitipid. Our adaptive and responsive environment, reaching those in geographic areas. More importantly, these programs seek to develop their productive potential and bridge their capacities towards self-sufficiency. With a noble aim of breaking the cycle of poverty across the country, the Pamilyang Pilipino program has not only consistently accomplished its
Kisi-kisi.
annual targets, it has also proven its efficacy over the years. Mula nung nakaraang SONA, mahigit 420,000 pamilya ang graduate sa pagkakataon. Sa tulong ng 4Ps, mas gumanda na ang kanilang kalagayan at kakayahan makipagsapalaran sa laban ng buhay. Sa katunayan,
Kisi-kisi ba? Welcome.
4Ps ay nasa hanay na ngayon ng mga lisensyadong guro. At hindi lamang yun, top-notch ang sari-saring mga board exam na idinaos nitong nakalipas na 2 taon ay nanduna sa mga pamilya or peace. Ilan sa kanila ay si Teacher